Hello people, welcome back. Come, let's make this cucumber buns. I call it cucumber buns because it is long. So I'll be using my rice measurement to measure it. I will add 2.5 cup of flour and I will sieve it. We're adding some sugar. I didn't measure it, guys. I'm just following my instinct. Salt, baking powder, and I will mix together. So now I will add in my margarine. Feel free to use what you have, but I'm always good. I prefer to use margarine when it comes to baking and frying. So feel free to use what you have. Mixed 1 egg, some milk, some cold water, and I'll just give it. If you want it to be crunchy like this, soft in the inside, crunchy at the outside, use cold milk, cold egg if it is possible, cold water. That is what I just did. So I'm going to mix it and again and again and again. All my returnees, thank you for always leaving me like a comment. I really do appreciate. If you are new to the channel, feel free to follow me for more amazing videos. So I added another half cup of flour that will make it 3 cup measurement of rice, not flour measurement, guys. So I'll just mix until everything is combined. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos. You might find a full family lifestyle, cooking videos, health recipe, baking. I have all of them in here. Subscribe to our channel and be a member of the family. Turn on the post notification so that when we upload, you will receive notification. So once this is done, guys, I will put it on my work face and I will work it for like 1 second. So after that, guys, I will continue to cut it like a cucumber. That is why I call it cucumber buns. Trying and doing all kind of stuff is possible. So you see the way I'm rolling it out, like the way we roll our fish roll. So I'll just roll it out. I just want that long shape, and that is why I call it cucumber buns, guys. This recipe is a bomb. You can see I didn't over knead it. The butter is intact, everything is intact. So I'll just fry it. Make sure your gas is not on the high side. So I'll just fry it, let me say 2 to 3 minutes. Flip it over, and when it is brown like this, from the oil, put in a sieve, guys. I will repeat this process until I am done with the frying. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest. DP varieties is the name. So once this is done, guys, I'll take it out of the oil and I will add in another batch. So that is it, guys. At least I've given somebody an idea of business. You can make this as a business, you can make it as a daily business, and you can get a lot of profit. As you can see, I used 3 cup of rice measurements, a cup, and I got all this. And I've eaten some. I got all this. Enjoy, bye.